Want to keep your development workflow humming by bringing Asana and GitHub together? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up the official Asana plus GitHub integration, linking your project management directly with your code repository. By the end, you'll be able to track GitHub pull requests and commits right inside your Asana tasks, and see real-time updates so nothing slips through the cracks. All right, let's dive straight in. This integration is super useful if you're juggling projects and need automatic status updates without switching tools every few minutes. So first things first, log into your Asana account and open up the project you want to integrate with GitHub. If you're already using Asana for team planning, you'll know that every project has its own space. Make sure you've picked the right one, because this integration works on a per-project basis. Once your project is open, look up at the top right corner of the header. You're looking for the Customize button. Go ahead and click that. The Customize panel is where you can tailor the project workspace to your needs. Think of it like adding new features to your project without any technical fuss. Inside that menu, scroll down until you see the Apps section. Here's where you can add new tools to your Asana workflow. Click on Pause Add App. Take a moment here, because if you have lots of available apps, it might take a second to find what you need. Find GitHub in the list. It's usually easy to spot. Just look for the familiar Octocat icon. Click on plus Add to Project. Now, Asana needs permission to talk to GitHub on your behalf. You'll get a prompt to sign in and authorize your GitHub account. If you're part of an organization, make sure you've got admin rights for both Asana and GitHub. Otherwise, you may hit a permissions wall. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, entering your credentials and confirming the access. If you've ever connected accounts before, this process will feel familiar. Don't worry if it takes a moment. Sometimes authentication can be a little slow, especially if multi-factor authentication is involved. Once you've authorized GitHub, the integration is ready to roll for that Asana project. You'll notice a new field shows up in your Asana tasks, a dedicated space for pasting GitHub URLs. Here's the beauty of it. Anytime you want to link a pull request or a commit, just grab the URL from GitHub and paste it right into that field. Think of it as the glue that keeps your code and your tasks in sync. But what's really powerful is what happens next. Asana will automatically pull in statuses from the linked GitHub items, whether the pull request is open, merged, or closed, or if someone's done a code review. You'll see those updates right inside your Asana task. It saves you from constantly switching tabs, and it means everyone in the project has instant visibility into the development work. Imagine reviewing your sprint in Asana and immediately knowing which features have shipped and which are still in review, without having to dig through GitHub notifications. And that's it. You've successfully connected Asana and GitHub for seamless project tracking. If a particular step seemed tricky, take your time and retrace the prompts. Your accounts need to trust each other before sharing data, so don't rush those authorization screens. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want more tips on workflow automation, drop a comment below. I'll jump in to help. Be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials so you can keep leveling up your productivity. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.